Hello guys, this is Rohit again. I know that I'm coming up in a very short time with another video, but I think the season is like that, right? There was this event, IPL Auctions 2021, and I think it has taught me few aspects about management, and I just wanted to share it with you all. So that's why I'm just making this video. Please be with me till the end, and if you like the content, please like, subscribe, and comment below on what I should have covered more. This IPL auction told us that every franchisee had one thing in common. What is that? So that thing was retention, right? So they knew that they had to hold on to their best employee at any cost. And for them, employee is nothing but the players. And that's why some were having high on budget, but some were very low on budget because they tried to hold those employees and the players. So what I'm trying to relate here is that same goes in the businesses and organizations, right? If you're working in a job, if you are the best, not in only terms of delivery, but also if you are keeping that aura, or if you're keeping the team together and they are emotionally attached to you, then organization should make every effort to retain you. This is one of the lessons that we get from IPL auction. Second point is about evolvement. Though we know that you can retain the players, but we also know that with cricket there is age associated and the performance is inversely proportional to age, right? If the age increases, performance decreases. And that tells us that every team has to evolve as well. And they should not refrain themselves for recognizing any of the talent within the team, and should not have compartmental thinking that, okay, I would just be like this. Though it may have not worked for me this year's IPL, but for the next year also, I would not be willing to make more of the changes. I know there is a very thin line when these calls are made, and it is totally dependent on the performances that is going to happen. But I believe that evolvement is very necessary, and I think the franchises did very well in that terms and they were balanced. And I would just like to also give my opinion on one thing, that these franchisees are nothing but, you can understand them as the businesses, right? They are the franchisee owners, but ultimately what are they doing? They're running their own business, isn't it? So that's why it gives us a very good opportunity to learn from them, because they are the best in their zone. The third point is about be patient. Be patient and aim for the best. And that's what we have learned, right? So organization per se or business per se as well, they wait for the best when they do the recruitment drives. They just do not select in mass unless there is a requirement like that. So why aim for the best? So the best depends upon what kind of slot you would like to fill. So if you're looking for a fast bowler, that's the best for you. For MI, if they are looking for a very good spinner, that's the best for them. If CSK, they are looking for the best all-rounder, that is what they are targeting, right? So everyone has their own best. So it's not only one person they are targeting. There would be few like all-rounders which are in radar for every franchisee, but we get this lesson, isn't it? That be patient and wait for your best. Fourth one is know your capacity. It is nothing to deal with a situation where you are lacking potential or you have some limits. But know your capacity is more in terms of there is a bandwidth associated with each one of us. And if you go beyond that bandwidth, you injure yourself, not physically but emotionally. So you need to understand that even if you drink a lot of water, though it's necessary, it's going to do harm to you, isn't it? So that's your capacity. Keep that capacity. In terms of IPL franchises, I would like to say it is more of their purse. They need to know their purse. They need to know their budget, and they need to spend it wisely. So similar goes for any organization as well, and similar goes for an employee. Hope you like this point. Thank you. Then the last one is more on the normal distribution is very important. Imagine a team in IPL having all rounders playing. On paper, it may look very good because if one fails, second one would perform. Second one would fail, third one would perform. But there are no specialists. And you do need specialists. You do need experts in your own subject matter if I talk in terms of organizations and the businesses. Here, the experts are fast bowling expert, leg spinner expert, right? Expert off spinner. Based on the situation, they would make the decision whether I have to play leg spinner or the off spinner, depending on whether they are having more left-handers or right-handers, their opponents. So it is very critical. It is mostly decided based on the situation, and this also happens in real life. But what we need to ensure is that we have normal distribution in the organization. Everyone comes up with different strength. There would not be a single candidate who would do everything like Superman, isn't it? That's all fiction. But the fact is, everyone comes up with a different strength, and you need to know when to utilize that strength. And that's what I'm talking about normal distribution. So you need to have a good batting lineup. You need to have all rounders. If batting lineup fails, all rounders would do the job. If bowling lineup fails, then all rounders could do the trick. But not having specialist may make you win one match, but not all for sure. And I think that's why I again would like to comment that this auction was very nice because I think every team went very much balanced. So these were some management lessons that I got to learn from IPL auctions 2021. What is your view on that? And I would like to understand by your comments that there are few points maybe which I may not have covered, maybe it did not kick on to my mind, but I would like to learn because the agenda of this channel itself is will for skill, right? You need to have that will to develop the skill. And I am bringing up these videos, sharing my experiences, but obviously I may be missing a lot. So I would like to learn. Let's evolve together. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and comment with your responses. I'll come up with a video soon. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice evening.